It's a funeral for my brother and my sisters, and I think I know all of them, and it's too sad and too hard for all of us, and I don't know how can I explain my feeling, but it's very hard for all of us.
My family is devastated. They've lost the most supporting person they've ever had. I lost my second dad. And the family, the wife and the two kids, honestly, I can't imagine how they're going to go through this and leaving it. We all will have a hole in our hearts forever.
One another, and please let's stand together and deal with this with love as we have done in the past and we've done.
This boy is her brother, so that family lost 2 children, and this is her wife, and they were just last year they were married, they got married together, and just for 4 months they were together here.
And I'm so sad. So many people, they still don't want to believe what this government is doing to them. They are just closing their eyes. Even if you offer them glasses, they don't want it to see.